Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to set video as wallpaper on your lock screen on Android. So let's begin the video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your gallery and select the video which you want to add on your lock screen. So we will tap on any of the video from our gallery. So here at the top corner there are three dots. You will simply tap on three dots, and here you will simply tap on set as wallpaper. So after tapping on it, you will simply tap on set as wallpaper. So wallpaper has been applied on our lock screen. So now we will go back and lock the screen, and then on the screen, and the wallpaper has been added to our screen. So this is the simple process of adding the wallpaper on your screen. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thank you.